Okay. So once the website confirmed, so we will link or connect the domain maycare.my for you. Then you will have the back-end link. This is just a temporary one. Okay. So after all the thing complete, then I will connect the domain for you. Then you will have this backlink, the back-end login page. So we'll create a admin code for you. Temporarily, we use this. Okay. After you access, you will see this is the back end. Okay.
Richard, I can't seem to see your share screen.
Already.
Ah,
Once again. So I log out again.
Okay. Now can see.
Okay. So this is the login page. So you will get your own access username afterwards. This is just a temporary one. You don't go inside and do anything yet. Because this is under our domain yet. So once you log in, you will see this is the backend page. After backend page, left-hand side, you will see Maycare. Right-hand click, you will see open a new link, new tab. So this is your homepage. So this is exactly your website. So after you log into your backend, you will see this is the administration bar, okay, or the CMS bar. So if let's say you are logged out, this bar will disappear. Okay, that means your customer or outsider won't see this bar. Okay, so today we are going to talk about two topics. One is how to add products and products category. Another one is how to add the post. What is the post? This is the post. Let's say every week or every month or every quarter you got any special campaign, any promotion you want to update. This is the thing. Okay, example. You click now. This is the post. So later we will share how to add all this in your website. Okay. So first thing, we go to products first. So this is all the products, right? So I prepare one products. So first thing I want to share with you how to create a product category, because in our site we just created the category according to your Shopee store. So neck wheelchair, working aids, back support and all this. Okay, we created inside your website. So I found out that one category not mentioned inside here is this. I am not sure what this oxygen concentrator under which category.
Respiratory care.
Come again?
Respiratory care.
Oh, very deep. How to spell one?
Respiratory. RES.
Hold on.
Okay.
Okay. So we go how to create the category. We go product. We go category. Okay. So this is the product category we don't have much. So we create here. You will see an add new category. Come again, the name
S
RES
PI RATO
EO.
TO Thailand.
Oh, TO.
Respirator RY.
RY.
Mm.
Betul,
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So if let's say in the future your company got in-house designer, if let's say you design a logo or design a thumbnail or featured image,
He will be the designer here. He will be designer temporarily.
so you design the thing. Let's say you want to add the category image, so you can upload here lah.
Okay.
In the future So because temporarily I don't have so I just leave it long. So very easy. We just add new category. It will appear here.
So we can edit anytime lah.
Anytime. Let's say where is it? Respiratory lo.
Care. CARE.
Oh, got care lah. So if let's say you want to edit, very simple.
Category.
You want to edit just click edit. No. Okay. So you want to upload, you want to do some description on your category also can. So you want to upload your image future also can. After that, click update. So simple only lah. So this is how we create the category. So the category will appear here. Okay. So now we are going to add
Let me see
products.
to see this one.
Sekarang.
So I go through first. So after we add the category, so we can add the products. So how to add products? Products, add new. Okay. So we just copy and paste this one. This is the name.
But the MDA number will be changing, right?
This one up to you because I don't know what is this. So I just copy only lah. If let's say you want to change, you just change lah.
So renew.
Nombor sijil sama.
Ya.
Nombor sijil sama. Just renew tarikh saja.
Ini compulsory kena letak.
Should be not lah, because during that time they have no proper for online punya.
Power supply.
What
So
overrunning?
we just copy and paste. So it's very easy. 7, 8. Okay, this is how we do lah. So after the description, we are going to go in here, product data. So you need to choose external product. Okay, you click, then you go and copy your link at the Shopee one. So after that, paste. Okay, how much you want to sell? Regular price is how much? 2002. Okay, so after that, nothing. So here, all under all category, respiratory care. Okay, so we click. Okay, go up. Product category, we add product image first. Product. Desktop. Just now I created. So we upload the product image. Okay. So under the product, we got product image and product gallery. So we add both. After that, we just publish. Very simple. So the products now will appear here. We refresh. See under U here. Okay. So the product will appear here. Okay. That's so simple.
So means customer when log in, they can only view the pricing, view the
Customer no need log in. Customer no need log in.
They just open the web page.
Just
and they will
open the website only.
They will see everything lah. They don't need to log in.
Customer no need log in.
Okay.
For example, they go to Google, they type Maycare, they will come up with the website. They just click.
Yeah, just now got one buy now. The one buy product.
No need add in one. No need log in one. Just click lah.
Buy
If I say
product.
customer click inquiry now, this is WhatsApp. Click
If
buy
they
now.
buy now go to where?
Shopee.
Oh, go to Shopee lah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because they just copy the link from Shopee, right? Just now.
Correct.
Paste it there.
Yes, very easy, very straightforward. So the product one is very straightforward. So that's why I keep mentioning to you guys there, very easy one. No worry about how to do. Because you know how to upload the products to Shopee, definitely you know how to do it from here. Because Shopee one lagi teruk.
Almost similar lah.
Like more complicated by choosing the category, because they force you to choose one. Okay. Now we are going to learn, share how to update this promotion or press everything. Okay. Example, we are going to add this. Very simple. First two items, either is post or product. You want to keep memorize only. Okay. Now we are going to do the post. So the post one, actually the category I already created here under event, press, awards, promotion. In the future, if let's say you got any extra so-called category for the event or category or the campaign, you can create here. But normally won't because under one thing, event or promotion. Okay. So we go to add new post. Got any new thing in your Facebook?
No lah, it's just that the
Ada new promotion tak ada.
no same
No.
promotion.
Tapi catat dulu tengok dengan.
Maycare. Ni saya this one already put lah. Maybe this one. I'm not sure. Let me check ni belum.
Clearance.
So I just simply create lah.
This one is for example only lah. Later on you can edit.
Yeah, you can edit one. No problem. Very simple. I do again. Now we are going to share how to add the new promotion post or press post or event post. Go to post, add new post. I check again.
Actually, you need more to back-end website. You rasa tak perlu, tak apa. Website baru. Website Maycare baru. Banyak dia dengan Amelina. Ya, boleh.
Okay.
You
This one you need to more focus.
itu
Go to add new post.
tanpa saya. Saya tunggulah.
Everyone
Sorry.
listen first can. Because now recording. Now recording.
Oh yeah, sorry.
Now recording. So I come again. Please. Because in the future, all your future staff will see this post, this video. So go to post, add new post. Okay. Put your title here. Set your featured image. Select highlight. Upload image. Featured image only select one, the main image. So you set the featured image. Okay, after that, you publish first. Okay, after you publish, you need to do further step. It's under edit with Elementor. Because we got not only one image, we got few image. That's why we need to go Elementor, edit with Elementor. So once you go to Elementor, you will see this, the main image. After that, you will see this column. Okay, example, let's say we have a look on this. You will see this is one image. We go another one, more image one. This one more image one. You will see one main image after we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 image. Okay, how to do this? You need to add column, select 2. You will see 2 column here. Then you click this 9 column, go image, take out 1 image, take out. Okay, click the pen, you will see choose image. Then you go choose image. This is the one. Select, click the pen, select the image. Okay, you update. Once you update, you go back to your website to double confirm. This is the new post. We click it. You will see main image, then 2 image. Okay, very simple. This is how we add the new post. Okay, understand?
For highlight promotion.
For promotion
For highlight.
press pun boleh. Because temporarily we don't have any press or awards image. If let's say you got, you can just upload here. Because now temporarily going is nothing one.
Press an award.
Yeah.
Michael, press an award. You able to upload the boss punya award lah. Photo.
Something like that, like events or what anything lah.
Exhibition, all this thing can upload.
You can put inside, no problem.
But that one need to get the soft copy from Ari.
Okay, so I do one more time. I show you guys one more time because this one need to be more alert lah. So you go when you go update everything you will see this is the page. If let's say you come out this page, don't get shocked. You go left hand side, you will see dashboard. Okay, go to dashboard. Same thing again. Go to post, add new post,
Post and new post.
add title. Okay. Just now we missed one step is under category. So the category you need to put promotion. Okay. Then set featured image. Go highlight. Go upload. Select file. Date. Set image. Publish first.
Publish, edit with Elementor.
Then you'll do with the Elementor. Add two column. Now we only got one image also. We need to add one column. Choose the date. Update. Okay. So we go refresh. We go to homepage. You will see the big come up. Okay. Just now I missed one step is how add the category. So you see just now the wheelchair one not appear here, not show here. This one. Why? Because I missed out one step. So when we want to do something or we want to edit something, same thing.
Edit the category.
We go back here, all posts. We look for the thing we want to edit. Just click edit. Scroll down. Find the category, promotion, untick the uncategory, and save. So then you go to promotion, refresh, then the thing come out. Okay, very simple, very straightforward. Okay, anything? Manya senang.
So far okay lah. So far okay. Maybe 1 or 2 time practice maybe.
Yeah, very,
You're
very
not sure he can text you anytime, right, teacher?
not I'm not anytime free to reply lah.
Just
Yeah.
But you
reply
got this video lah, don't worry, you can go just refer to this video. Don't panic It's very easy one. Unless sometime the server or internet down you will feel why cannot one mean internet down like that only. If let's say internet no down no problem normally the server is always on time one unless they upgrade or do some backup thing. Okay.
By when he can start editing the things?